In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert an image inside the Google presentation. So it's very easy. We're just going to bring our cursor here to insert, click on it, then we're going to come down to image. And in this case, I'm going to be uploading it from computer. So I'm going to click on it. And I am inserting an image of Lena, the cat. So its formatting is not great, it's really to the left, so all I have to do is drag the photo. I'm going to try to center it around like the middle of the slide, and then I also have this text here and I like the text to also be centered. So in this case here is already centered, but if it wasn't, you just come here to these three dots more and you can change the alignment. You could do left. In this case, I do want to keep it centered. And then one thing that I also always like to do, if you click on the image, you have the option to come here to format options. So I'm going to click on it. And I always like to add a drop shadow to images. It just makes it a little bit more refined. So let me click on it and show you how it looks. So you see like the borders now are more defined. If I were to click on it again and remove the drop shadow, it's very subtle, but it's really a big difference. So just click on it, add the drop shadow, and it looks a little bit better.